Hey, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today I did my straight hair routine. I just recently cut and dyed my hair. So for the new year, I decided to give you guys a straight hair routine. So this routine is kind of different. It's mainly, everybody knows how to straighten their hair. I feel like bone straight, like stuck to your scalp, I don't feel like that's really, it's a look sometimes, but like I feel like body, if you don't have body, what do you have? So I'm gonna show you guys the products that I use to get my hair really shiny and full of movement. So that's exactly what I did in today's video. It's not really styled the best. I kind of just did it. It literally took me less than 30 minutes to do my hair. So if you would like to see how I got my hair straight, or if you want to see how we got this bounce, this wave, this, let me just show you. Like, I know I have some flyaways, but like the body, the movement, if you too are looking for body all 2019, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm back. I just finished blow drying my hair. I actually lied to you guys, I'm so sorry. I used, this doesn't even have a name, that's how old it is. This is my mom's and we just attached this little comb piece to it. It was way easier than what I was gonna do, so I just grabbed hers. And then just so, before I blow dried it, and then after, I put some of this BioSilk in it. I don't think it's gonna focus that well, but I put in this BioSilk Silk Therapy serum in my hair. And even though my hair was dry because I washed it last night, like I said, I think it's really important to blow dry your hair, especially at this length, because when you straighten it, you want your hair to have like body. You don't want it to be like, if I would have straightened it without blow drying my hair, which is totally fine, it would have just had less body to it. Like, it would have been more flat. And I feel like with short hair, it's important that your hair like moves and it has body and volume and stuff like that. So that's why I blow dried it. Otherwise I wouldn't. I usually almost never blow dry my hair, but I feel like it's gonna be a necessity now that my hair is shorter. So I'm just gonna turn on my Bioionic ×10 flat iron. It's so weird because when I first got this, I heard literally nothing about it, and then it's like right after I got it from Sephora, but right after I got it, literally it was everywhere. I saw it everywhere, like everyone was using it. I was like, the heck, I never even heard of this. But I got it from Sephora. It was, I think, $230. I plugged this in, it's already hot. It only takes like literally 10 seconds to heat up. I tested it, it's true. So I'm just gonna use these clips that came with the flat iron. They just look like this to pin up parts of my hair. And I'm gonna use a rat tail comb for the parts. It's actually not even necessary. I have nails on, so I'm just gonna part with my nails. And I have a scrunchie right here. I'm gonna use this brush to do the chase method. It just looks like this. It's just a bristle brush. And I already have serum in my hair, so it adds back the shine to my hair, so it's super silky and whatnot. So I'm just gonna go ahead and part it. And there's not really much to straightening my hair. I don't like to put any product in it really, because I don't like my hair to feel weighed down. I feel like that's like the fastest way to, like, I feel like when you put a lot of product in, it's quick build up, and then it makes your hair really greasy. It doesn't really last that long, so I try to put as little product as possible. So I'm just parting it, brushing through it, and then I don't know, sometimes I like go in front of it and sometimes I go behind. I like switch off like this. And I have the heat set to 400 degrees. Yeah, because when I'm straightening my hair, I think it gets to 450. But when I'm straightening my hair, I like it to be straight. So I'm just gonna repeat this all the way through. Probably not even. And I'm not picky about how many times I go over my hair. I go over it as many times until I feel like it's straight enough for me. And I do a terrible chase method. So, sorry. But I don't know. I feel like doing a lot of movement because my hair is so short. I'm used to it being a little bit longer than this. Way longer, actually. So it's really weird that I'm stopping so soon. But I'm gonna style it towards the end and most likely bump the ends a little bit just so they're not so straight. I never thought I'd see the day where I said myself was gonna bump the ends of my hair. Like, it's the worst thing hearing as a kid. Like when you want your hair straight and your mom's like, oh, come here, let me bump the ends. Then you go from baddie to old lady real quick. Okay. Okay. It's really hot. And this is very boring. So I'm just gonna keep parting and, you know, straightening my hair. And then I will come back when I get towards the top and show you guys how I top it off. And then, yeah, you guys will be able to see the finished product because it's really just repeating these steps. So I'm gonna go over my hair many times until I feel like it's straight enough for me. And yeah. That side's done. And then I'm gonna style it right after this. You guys see how much body this has? Like, of course I gotta get my flyaways, but the main thing to get out of this straightening routine is the body, okay? Nobody wants no straight hair that is sticking to their head and looks greased up. Like, when I tell you this bio silk right here, this paired with like the blow drying body, this is shine and body in a bottle. Okay, so drop whatever serums you were using, are using, whatever. Like, I have the Chi silk infusion stuff, everything, anything that's supposed to be silk or supposed to give you body and shine your hair at the same time, throw it away. 2019, we're using bio silk therapy, okay? All 2019. Forget the rest, they're not important. They've been fired from their day jobs. Sorry, you're laid off for the time being. But I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna put some more in my hair just so you can see how much it doesn't weigh your hair down at all. So this is what I have in my hand. So I'm just gonna rub it together, and I try to focus it on the ends and then bring it up to the top. But when I tell you this is shine and it doesn't weigh your hair down or anything, like, it's insane. So honestly, go to TJ Maxx. That's where I got mine, that big bottle. I got it at TJ Maxx for like $20. If you go to like Walgreens or something, you're gonna get something super small and you're gonna pay just as much as I paid. So I advise going to TJ Maxx and get you some bio silk therapy. I'm gonna drop the link for, I don't know, I'm gonna try to find it. I doubt I'll be able to find it on like TJ Maxx website, but yeah, because I don't think they have like stuff they actually have in store. You just gotta find it. It's just a hidden gem and you're gonna have to find it. I feel like with short hair, it's supposed to move. It's not supposed to be stuck to your head or anything. unless you were going for that gelled up look, but I feel like this is really cute. This is what we're doing in 2019. Hi. How old are you, Sophia? 1? 1? Almost 2? You don't want to sing them a song? No? Okay, so that is the complete routine. Yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what other kind of videos you guys like to see, and I will see you guys in my next video. In another video. Say bye. Bye. Wish you well. Wish you well. Yay.